Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you how to use Acco Therapy Putty. Before that, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Therapy Putty comes in 6 different colors with 6 different resistance. Tan is for extra soft, yellow is for extra soft, red is soft, green medium, blue firm, grey extra firm. Now we will show how to do the exercises with the putty. Before that, please remember your hand should be clean and there should be no oil or any type of solution on it. Now we will show you all the exercises that can be done with the putty. Green is for medium resistance. You can do the gripping exercises. You can do pinch exercises. You can also do finger extension exercises. Just roll it properly. This exercise for finger extension. You can put the pressure with every finger. This therapy putty is imported and complete exercises can be complete exercises of hand and wrist can be done with the therapy putty. This is green color. This is blue. This putty is of 100-gram pack. It is also mentioned. And you can also buy this product online from MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. Thank you. The demo is completed.